Okay, when it's flashing,
Yeah.
you see it count.
That's what we're watching.
You done?
Ah!
All right.
Take a picture of me, Dad.
Sit down on the bed next to Bubby. Cody, what's over there?
What's over there?
I don't know.
What?
Do you hear something? Do you hear something over there in that corner? Oh shit, the dogs are tripping.
What is that? What it was?
I don't know. Caden, get in the bed.
What? Daddy, turn that freaking thing on. Look. Look. This is good. Ah! Oh, crap. Oh, I know what you want.
He's gone.
It's Uncle Clarence. It was Uncle Clarence. That is